PE ratio is one of the most important ratios that should be checked before investing in any company. Guys, price to earning ratio is a popular ratio that gives investors a better sense of the value of the company. Guys, in simple words, अगर कंपनी 1 रुपये कमाती है तो इन्वेस्टर्स उस कंपनी के शेयर कितने रुपए देकर खरीदते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, किसी कंपनी का PE रेशियो है 40. दैट मीन्स कंपनी कमाती तो 1 रुपये है, पर उस कंपनी के शेयर को खरीदने के लिए हमें 40 रुपये देने होंगे. दैट मीन्स टू अर्न 1 रुपीज़ वी हैव टू स्पेंड 40 रुपीज़. Guys, to determine the PE value, one must simply divide the current stock price by the earning per share. Now guys, to check whether the share is costly or not, in this case, you can compare the PE ratio of that company with its peer groups. Guys, keep in mind that PE ratio is different for different industries, and that means comparing the PE ratio of infra company with a FMCG company is stupidity. Guys, stocks with high PE ratio are considered as overvalued, but yeah, it's not necessary. Sometimes company with high price to earning ratio are often considered to be growth stocks, and investors have high expectations for future earnings growth and are willing to pay more for them. And guys, stocks with low PE ratio are often considered to be undervalued. It means they are undervalued because their stock prices trade lower relative to their fundamentals. Example of low PE stocks can be found in industries that pay steady rate of dividends. Guys, the PE ratio is just one of the many valuation measures and financial analysis tools that we use to guide us in our investment decision, and it should not be the only one.